December is such a great month here at the Driving Instructor. Not only do we get to celebrate Christmas with everybody else, but we get to hand out some hard cash to our pupils who have left an honest review on our Facebook page and passed with one of our driving instructors. It's as simple as that. All you've got to do is do lessons, pass your test and leave an honest review on our page. So let's have a look who won cash prizes for 2024. So that was the 3 winners for 2024. We saw them there the day that they had passed and the day they got their prize. And I also managed to steal a little bit of the time from some of them just to see how they're getting on with their driving and as well as if they've got any plans for the cash they've received from us at the Driving Instructor.
We're just about to hand over your prize, the £200. First, I suppose the first question that I want to ask is, did you think that it was anything that you've ever get from a driving instructor?
No, I wouldn't expect that.
No. Have you ever heard of anybody handing out money before?
Never.
Obviously, you're passing out for a little while. How's the freedom? Is it everything that you wanted it to be?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
No more raining, no more biking in the cold.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Where's the furthest place that you've been?
Shiloh.
Oh, no. You've got the £200 prize. Is there any plans for it? I know it's not like a massive amount of money, but is it going to help towards Christmas?
Yeah. I was thinking to paint my alloys black.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like, I think it's perfect amount with my alloys.
Oh, perfect.
Or I'm going to save them and buy pipe plates for my car. I need about 800, so it would be a good start.
Is there any standout moments from our driving together, learning to drive? Is there anything that sort of like stood out as good or even bad throughout the journey?
No, I don't think so. My learning was quite smooth. I'm a happy driver, you know.
Yeah. Well, I suppose the only thing really to do is give you the £200. I've got it in a little envelope. It's there for you. I'll let you. Is there anything any questions that you've got for me? Is there anything that you've figured out whilst you're driving that you're like, oh,
I'm fine. I'm very surprised how fast you took it to the end to my exam. Thank you for that.
Once again, well done, Monica. All you did was do an amazing drive, pass your test and leave an honest review. And that's all that we ask for. And that's banked you a nice little £200 in your back pocket, ready to spend for Christmas. Just before we get on to our big winner, Alby, and their £500, we're going to have a quick break. Check this out. So I just want to say this is Alby. He's the winner of the £500. How did you find the driving experience?
Oh, it was great. Obviously, at first it was quite a bit nerve-wracking. It's very weird now. Now I'm always constantly every day driving down a road at the national speed limit. Yeah. But first going from getting nervous at going over 20 miles an hour to now just hating it. Yeah. Going a little slower than that. It's very good, but...
How quickly did it all just become normal, driving? Like, did it very quickly become just that's something you do now? And
I would say 3 weeks because of growing up on the farm and then just sort of got used to it.
And is it everything that you wanted? Now you got the freedom, you can go wherever you want, is that?
Oh yeah, but I've had some slight hiccups.
And obviously a bit of trouble with the cars and stuff. So thank you for the review, that was great. Yeah. What I'll do is, I'll hand you over all of the prize money, all in cash.
Thank you.
So you've obviously got to do what you need to do with that. Have you got any plans with the money?
You'll mainly probably just be going with the rest of money I've been saving up again.
Yeah.
Just because I'll say, took a bit of the hit with the car because I was a bit of an idiot.
Yeah.
Before I got the MOT, I replaced all the tyres and switched out the battery, which was 300 quid added onto that. And then cost me a grand in MOT, so I was like, I'm just getting a new car.
Oh, bless you. Congratulations once again to all of our winners. A huge thank you to everybody who participated in this year's cash giveaway and to all of our amazing pupils for your support. It's been incredible to celebrate your success and also hear your stories. Next year's even bigger, and you could be one of the lucky winners. So keep those reviews coming, stay tuned for more exciting opportunities. From all of us here at the Driving Instructor, have a safe and happy festive season. We'll hope to see you soon on the road in 2025.